Good day, Lamidi here. Welcome to today's video. This is the second in a series where I show you how to add an end screen to your YouTube videos. And in today's portion, or in today's section, I would be showing you how to actually add the end screen to your video using Camtasia. So with that said, let's get right into it. So I'm just going to bring up, this is a video I shot earlier, and I'm just going to add this end screen. So the end screen has got to be like a JPEG that you download from Canva. So the reason being, in Canva, let's just go to Canva and I'll show you what I mean. So if I come to Canva, and I'm just going to show you one of the designs I did. Yeah, this is the design I did earlier for another video, but as you can see, you actually do these end screens in a video format, but you can only do them for 5 seconds. So the trick is, when you want to add this to any editing software, you convert this into a JPEG, because your end screen needs to be 20 seconds. So that just helps you make the best use of this end screen. So with that said, this is the image file that I uploaded, and in order to add it to the end of your video, you just come to the end and you do that. So once the video ends, as you can see, once the video ends, it will just go ahead and play and show this. And yeah, that's it for this short video. In the next video, which is the third in our series, I will just show you how to edit these blanks in whilst you're uploading this video with the end screen to YouTube. Hope you've enjoyed today. Do remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that with that notification button so that I can notify you when I shoot some more videos. Thank you and enjoy your day.